Can Brussels sprouts be eaten raw? I am not sure if this is too lame a question. Can Brussels sprouts be eaten raw, or do I need to boil them for 20 minutes or use some other form of cooking?
I think you mean, can Brussels sprouts be eaten raw? As in without cooking. The short answer is yes, though they will be a lot like little cabbages. You don't need to boil them, either. I like to saute them in butter in a skillet, then cover them, and let them steam a bit. I serve them with salt and pepper. Cook them until they are bright green, but not too long to make them grayish green. Yes, they can be eaten raw, and I do so frequently when they're in season. I find them much more convenient for sandwich greens and salads when cooking for one than a whole large cabbage. I just chop up what I need, 1 to 2, depending on size, and add them to the sandwich, or whatever I might be making. Dodd and I agree with Jennifer, don't boil them. I like quartering them, and saute in bacon fat, till they've browned, then a heavy dose of salt.